My project was called MGA Kangaroo Meat, like how we can reduce the carbon footprint using different strategies, and what's the best way possible, like transporting kangaroo meat to different countries in the world. Like Japan was one of the clients of my company that I worked with.
There are various soft skills that I loved and I developed while doing this project, like critical thinking, decision making, and one of the major skill is like time management. As we all know that we are from different countries and there is a synchronicity between us, so it is really important for us.
Like I had a lot of great experience with my teammates. Like my teammates were from different parts of the world. Like one was from Afghanistan. Like I have never imagined that I would make a friend from that country. Or